Hello, hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize for the technical glitch. Your cooperation will be appreciated and we will resume shortly. Thank you. Till the technical glitch is fixed, I may remind the audience that they can give their feedback orally today at the end of the workshop. So if you all have any feedback to give, kindly keep it ready. We will listen to it at the end of the conference. Thank you.
Rashmi madam, kindly ask others to join quickly if they are interested because we have a valedictory also after this. Anaya,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
do you have the list of participants? Are they going to join or not?
Ma'am, they have already been informed in their group to join. So they will be joining shortly. Ma'am, we have put for the text messages in all the WhatsApp group of all the participants. They are joining shortly.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good
Hello,
afternoon. Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Actually, it's visible that more than 33 participants are there. So I think they may be the others may be suffering from some technical problem. So I think we may proceed with the presentation, ma'am. Please.
Yes, yes, we are starting shortly. Just give
Ah,
a minute. Yes, just give
okay,
a
ma'am.
minute.
Okay.
Hello, garage any feedback?